Hi everyone, my name's Michelle. I am a proud Wholesaling Inc. student and Rhino in the tribe. And I just wanted to take a moment to give a testimonial and explain a little bit about my experience with Wholesaling Inc. So I joined Wholesaling Inc. about 3 months ago, a little bit more than 3 months ago, and I am just about to close on my 5th deal. I did no wholesaling before joining the tribe. I just started educating myself and learning what wholesaling was. I knew I wanted to get into real estate investing, but up until learning about wholesaling, wasn't really sure how to break that barrier. So I started researching like crazy, and of course Tom and Cody's content, the amazing content that they put out all the time, kept coming up over and over. And I'm a big believer in when you want to start something and you want to start a new business, you need to find out who's the best of the best, who's actually crushing it in that business, and you want to replicate what they're doing, right? It just makes sense. So when I found out that they offer coaching services, I jumped on it. I was so excited, especially to have the the group coaching calls every week, to be able to speak to them directly when it's your turn to ask your question has been an amazing resource. To hear everybody else's questions and how they're answered has been a huge resource, because these are problems that we're all going to come into typically, and so you already know, you're gaining from everyone's experience that's in the group. And then the forum, anytime you have a question and it's not time for the group coaching call, you can just post it on the forum. And Bill Rafter has been super, super helpful with answering everybody's questions there. So if you're looking to get into this business, or if you're already in this business but you want to accelerate, there's no better way than hiring a great coach. And if you want to hire great coaches, Tom and Cody are the best. They have been so responsive, so helpful, so genuine. That's really what drew me to them. And they lead with value first and by serving others first. So I just love that. It aligns with everything that I believe in. I am so thankful I decided to become a Rhino, and I hope to see you there if you decide to become a Rhino as well.